Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today we will try to move a physical volume from one system to another system, or a logical volume from one system to another system. Let's discuss. We are having one system called RHL7 and another system is this one, which is Ubuntu. Get /etc star release star. Okay, it's Ubuntu and this is release. This is RHL7. Okay, so we are having PV, VG, and LV. So we are having SDB, SDC. On SDC we are having volume group, VG backup, and on volume group VG backup we are having logical volume backup, LV backup. Okay, which is mounted on TFFNH/UID. Okay, so we will move SDC from this system to this system. So what we'll do first, under UUID, okay, we'll create a file. So we'll create a file vi Amit, and we'll write some data. This is Amit. Okay, save and quit. Okay, come out of this. First we will do unmount unmount/UUID. Then we will deactivate a VG will change -an VG name. Okay, yes, we mount. Okay, it got change unactive. Now what we'll do, vgexport /vgexport VG name successfully exported. If you do VGS, it will show attribute exported, and PVS also shown exported. Okay, you can do PV scan is showing device STC is in exported VG of backup this thing. So now we'll shut down this server because it won't allow us to remove. Let's see, storage. So we have removed SDC. Okay, size is this one, so we have to remove this first. Okay, whilst running system is running, it will not allow us to remove. So first what we'll do, 0, we'll shut down this server. Let's wait for some time. Okay, it got closed. Let me open this. Here Jenkins, what a server is running. So we'll go here, Redhat 8 servers. Okay, Redhat servers, setting, storage, SDC, this disk. What we'll do, remove. Okay, Redhat 8_3.vdi. We have remove it. Okay, now we'll try to attach here storage. Okay, and it won't allow us while system is running. So what we'll do, we'll shut down this virtual machine also. We'll go here, init 0 is power off. Now setting, storage, not showing here. We have to attach it here and click OK. We start the machine. Okay, my machine came up. Let me start the SS session. Restart. Okay, I will become a root user. So you are able to see we are having a PV SDB here with the name VG backup, but still isn't exported mode. So first we'll do vgimport /VG backup understood backup. Okay, now we'll see PVS export is gone. Okay, PV scan also perfect. Now this one VG backup is not in active state, so VG change -ay VG underscore backup. Okay, mkdir test So what we'll do, mount /dev mapper vg backup lv backup on test cd test cat boom. This is the thing. We have removed a volume group from RHEL Redhat 7 server and we have moved it to Ubuntu server. That's the rare activity, but you should know about this thing. So what we did first, on the first machine, we have to unmount the file system using /. Okay, we'll revert it back so you'll learn. You mount /test vg change directory vg-a now active now vg underscore backup, then vg export /dev vg name vg underscore backup is got v exported active logical volume is showing. Okay, remount /test inactive but not showing. Vg export vg underscore backup vvs vv scan u2 will come to now is exported from this machine. We will first shut down this in 0. Okay, from this machine we will remove the disk storage, the disk remove. Okay, Redhat 8 setting storage here, attach a disk. Okay, let's power on this machine. So my machine is in power on, so we'll connect it using SS session. Okay, let me become a root user. Now PVS, if you see, HDC is there but is on exported mode. PV scan. Okay, so what we'll do, vg import vg name vg backup. Now again we will do PV scan. If you do PVS, access gone from here. Now we check, we try to mount like mount /dev mapper or vg. We take underscore backup lv underscore backup to /test. Okay, f of an h is not mounted, it's mounted on /uuid ed/uuid cat amit. Boom, the data is still here. Hi, this is amit, and if you do stat of this file, accesses on 844, modify on this, changes on 838. Okay, so this is how you can move a volume group from one system to another system whenever it's required. That's the complete process. Unmount, deactivate, export, test to another server, import, activate, mount, and use it. Your data will be there. But both systems should have LVM package installed. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Learn more. If you have any question, any query, put in a comment box. I will try to answer your question. Keep practicing. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.